Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on Solana, your daily update. Yesterday, we got a bit of a fake out, and I'm not sure if I warned about this in the video, but I did talk about it in the Cilinix Crypto Telegram group. Yesterday, Solana got a breakout above $75. All right, so $75 also always used to be our main price target, and it's a strong one. It's a big psychological level. You can also see technically it's pretty strong. But what happened is that Solana got a bit of a fake out, and that was to be expected, and I'll tell you why, and that is because it's the weekend. All right, just usually, and I'll tell you why as well, but usually breakouts in the weekend, especially on Saturday, cannot be trusted. And the main reason for that is that for a breakout, you need trending markets. And for trending markets, you need volume, and you need people buying and selling, right? And if there's one thing that doesn't happen much on Saturday compared to other days, is trading activity. Usually trends stop for a moment. So that's why Solana got the bearish breakout. But overall, I mean, obviously if the market would have stayed bullish, this wouldn't have happened. So what's also happening right now is that we're seeing a little bit of a little bit of bearish pressure from Bitcoin here. It's likely to fall down towards 43,200, and then later probably also down towards the regions around 42,000. So that has effect on Solana. Obviously it does. The Bitcoin dominance is very high, so that means that if Bitcoin drops down, other altcoins drop down as well. The correlation between Bitcoin and Solana is not that high, but historically it's pretty high. All right, so that's why it's also falling right now. I would say Solana, I have been quite bullish on Solana for the last weeks and months, maybe even, but I still am. All right, even though we're dropping right now. I mean, the main support level for Solana still is between $70 and $67, and we haven't even touched $70. And if you fundamentally look at Solana, what you'll see is that the daily active addresses, the decentralized exchange volumes, the daily transactions, and especially the total value locked is still super high and still growing. I mean, the total value locked is up more than 200% in the last 3 months. That's pretty crazy, all right? That's pretty crazy. So Solana, I think, still is bullish. And of course, Solana is going to fall down together with Bitcoin. That seems to be pretty logical. But at this moment, I do think the level between $70 and $67 is going to be able to provide support, and enough support for Solana to hold that level. And then eventually, when bullish momentum in the markets picks back up again, eventually cause Solana to break above $75 again to get up towards 85, 88. All right, that's what I expect at this point of time. I think that's most likely. I think that's deserved for Solana. A bit of bearish momentum is not bad. I would say there's a slight chance. I mean, to be honest, I mean there's basically support all the way from like $65 all the way up to 70. So yeah, I see no reason why this entire support level would not provide enough support for Solana to consolidate around 70, around $67, because those will be the main levels. And then eventually, I see no reason why the bullish momentum in the markets would stop in the next month. All right, so that's why I see Solana still getting that breakout later after that consolidation. I think the only way something like this would, I would be very surprised if Solana is not able to do something like we just talked about. In that case, I mean, the only way in which that could really happen, I think, is if Bitcoin really falls down below or towards 40,000, which I think is unlikely at this moment. That might change in the next week, but yeah, like I said, it seems unlikely. All right, so this is what I expect. A bit more bearish momentum, support, consolidation, and then eventually continuation. All right, so if you do have any questions, then let me know down in the comments. But for now, have a great Sunday. Take care and bye.